How to delete chat history. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete chat history on Imo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo application. Once you are here, choose the chat you want to delete the history. Now all you need to do is click on the conversation. Once you are in the conversation, click on the profile icon up there and you're gonna find delete chat history, which is the last option. Click on it, and here they ask you if you want to delete this chat history with this contact. You can just easily click on delete and delete all your chat history with this person. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.